What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, ladies? Y'all, I just had to do that because that's our intro, but it's not a vlog. Sadly, it's not a vlog. This is the room tour of the resort that we stayed at, the Emporio in Cancun, Mexico. I just wanted to show y'all the room that we stayed at, and if you would like to stay here, I recommend staying in this room, even though the resort sucked. I just want to show you guys. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog. This is the front door. This light will turn on at night. We are M106. Put the key here, but it's already opened. They have these closets here. I'm laughing, y'all, because Jackie is in there taking a dump. It's so loud, bro. Hope y'all don't hear it. But these are the closet doors when you first walk in. They have some more closet doors right here. A safe, an iron. Looks very modern. And then from there, they have like this little cabinet space area with a little coffee making here. Then they have a bathroom here, but this door closes like this. So then it opens up like that. Open it, slide it, and then you have the bathroom, sink. This is the bathroom, that's the shower. We all seen that before, nothing major. Then we have the two beds here, pictures, some lights. It's the front entrance. Then they have like a little table here, whatever you call it, holding the TV down for us. Then over in this corner, they have like a vanity area. Let me get the lights on. Where the lights at? Ooh, I look crazy, y'all. We just got here. I gotta get freshened up. But yeah, this little vanity area is super cute. It's modern. I thought it lifted up for some storage, but it doesn't. They have some lights here. Ooh, that was bright. That's cute. Outlet there. Some modern looking pictures. And then they have this. This is the patio. Just open this up. And then you can see the view from the patio, as y'all can see right now. Super cute, love it. Let's go out on the patio really quick. Before we walk out, they have this little chair here and a table. And then they have two chairs here that you can just sit at. These two chairs you can sit at and enjoy a cocktail or something. Sun deck is super convenient and nice. And then right from there, you can walk out to the beach. Walk right out to the beach where they have the jet skis. The jet skis that I will be getting on, and I'm so excited to do. But yes, right off of the room, we could just go down those stairs to the beach, which is convenient. Back up to the room. And they have a mirror here, full mirror, so you can take your pics. Yes. Then, as you guys can see, there's the swim-up bar over there, and where we're gonna eat most of our meals because it's all inclusive. We have our wristbands, so we're about to go ahead and start having some fun.